Alright. Ooh. Alright. Hey guys. What's up? So, I am actually super excited for this video because I have been waiting to try this. Truly Beauty, you guys, reached out to me first of all. Oh my gosh. You guys know I've been working at Ulta, or if you don't, you do now. And I have always loved the Truly Beauty aisle. Everything about this brand is just so aesthetically pleasing and I just love it. And I remember picking up the body butter, the unicorn body butter. Oh my gosh, amazing. Previously, I have already loved their famous unicorn body butter and then also their face wash. And I tried the dark green face wash with CBD in it, I believe. I love that face wash as well. So I've loved their products before, so I'm super excited to try their new stuff. They just came out with a whole shaving line. So they actually came out with their own razor, which is probably the part I'm most excited about. But they have their own, you know, shaving cream. Seems beautiful. I'm gonna review it all in this video. This video is sponsored by them. I do have a discount code. It is for 20% off your whole order, and it's with this code right here. And there's a link that you can click right below here in the description box. Like a little bit more about the brand. First of all, you guys know they are products that work and are clean. So they don't have a bunch of preservatives in them. They are that girl. They do all of the beautiful CBD things as well with their skincare, and I don't know, you know me, I like CBD anything. So I'm going to be using this new scrub by Truly Beauty. This is the Smooth Legend Pre-Shave Scrub. Everybody knows that you have to get rid of that gross dead skin before you do the shavies. So let's go in the bathroom together. I ran myself a little bath. Is that weird? I don't know. I didn't want to have like running water obviously in the background. So I'm gonna wet my legs and get them all nice and wet. I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be so satisfying. I got a nice glob of it right there. Oh my gosh, this smells so wonderful, you guys. Okay, this is actually like really nice. I feel like it feels really moisturizing at the same time as exfoliating. You like that scrubbing ASMR, guys? So like, it smells like candy. Are you kidding me? My legs are so soft. And you can imagine me working at Ulta how many different body scrubs I've tried. I say that even though this is a collaboration with Truly Beauty, they did tell me to give my 100% honest opinions, and I love that about them. And I can tell you that this is better. I am so ready to be shaven. Okay, I'm actually so excited for this, you guys. I'm so excited for this. Now I'm gonna try this Happy Hairless Rich Shave Butter. Oh wow, that really, oh my gosh, that is so thick. Wow, see how thick that is? Like, it looks like it's gonna be nice and soft. It's like, you know it's gonna last longer. I remember when I first got, oh my god, are you kidding me? Y'all, okay, wait. Oh, I should have gotten the razor out before doing this. Alright, y'all, we got to get real here. I am so excited to see how this shaves. I'm obsession. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow, that is literally spotless. There is no hair in there. Okay, I'm actually into the shaving ASMR though. Maybe I should have used my microphone for this video. It's a literal therapy for me to just like sit here and go, oh, this is gonna be amazing feeling when I'm done. Y'all, I swear to God, I have nothing against body hair. Like, I only shave because I love how it feels. Like, I don't care how it looks. Like, I even forget to do my armpits a lot of the time because I don't care and Abel doesn't care how it looks. But legs, girl, I shave my legs because of how it feels when I get into those sheets at night. And I don't have to constantly free up the blades. It seems like they are really strong and can keep going through layers and layers of it. Okay, so I just finished shaving my legs and I feel freaking immaculate. One thing I wanted to point out about this razor, the wand is actually smooth to the touch when it's dry, but whenever it gets wet, it becomes this like silicone-y type feeling, so you have a better grip on it and you have more control. I absolutely love this razor, guys. This is definitely going to be my new go-to razor for sure. I did not have one that I love this much before this. Also, this shaving butter has to be my like favorite product yet that I've tried from Truly Beauty. I think it's just so it's just so fun. The whole process of it is so fun. Like, there's literally purple and pink like swirled in here, and it's so fun to just see all the colors like melt together or apart on your skin, and it's just like, ooh, it's so fun. And it also feels so really moisturizing. Like, I don't feel dry at all. My skin doesn't feel dry at all whenever I've rinsed off completely, and it must be because of that vitamin E oil in there and the coconut oil. But I mean, I smell that passion fruit, the lavender, and that grape. Oh, sing to my nostrils. Yes, please. I love it. So the next thing I'm going to be trying is this Aftershave Oil. Now this is a glazed donut vibe, it says. And I love me a big dropper. Oh my god, guys. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Wait, this. Oh my god, it smells so beautiful. Wow, all of these smells are so similar, but they're different. Like, they have a different tinge to them. Now it says that you can put this even on your pubic area after shaving, so it should be very gentle. Ooh, it smells so good. I just can't get over it. I just can't get over how it smells. By the way, my tub is not stained, which I thought it might be stained after using all that pink stuff. So that's good. I know I need to work on my caps more, right? This dropper is just so fun too. I actually love how this feels, you guys. Like, it does not feel too greasy at all. This is just so nice and smooth and soft feeling. So guys, I honestly would recommend literally this whole line. Like, I love this whole thing. I'm really bothered by this pimple I have between my eyebrows right now. So let's see, what was my favorite thing of this whole thing? I honestly want to say it's the Aftershave Oil. And then second best is definitely the Happy Hairless Rich Shave Butter. And honestly, if I had to say a power couple, it would be these two. I'm not even fronting with y'all at all. Like, literally, these are so nice. Look how cute it is, first of all. Like, what? And you can put this on just as like an after shower like body oil, honestly, is how I would want to use it because it's that nice and it smells so good. This is probably like my favorite thing to smell. This definitely comes second in smells. I love how this smells so much. And just the shave butter, dude, it's just so dreamy, and it's a whole therapeutic experience just using this. And a little bit goes a long way. I used a little bit too much today, but next time I'm gonna have to be a little bit sparing. Oh, you do have a discount code from your girl, so if you'd like, you can get 20% off your whole order over at trulybeauty.com. If you want to hit the linky-doo, just came up with, I don't know, on the spot. Yeah, just busting them out over here. No, hit that link down below and use my code to get 20% off your order. And yeah, that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like for me if you did. It would help me out a lot. Once again, thank you so much to Truly Beauty for gifting me these products as well as collabing with me on this video. I am still so like, what? They want to work with me. I don't know how or why, but I'm not gonna argue. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Let me know things that you guys want to see me review down below too, because I like this review vibe. Do you? Let me know. The comments section is for your usage. So I'll be going now, and I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. I think I already said that, and now I'm going in circles, so I should go. Bye, guys.